Hey, everyone! Today we are looking at Canaries at 38 Hotel by Baan Mina in Bangkok, Thailand. Before you book your stay, make sure to check the link or scan the QR code in the description for the safest booking rates. The hotel is located in a convenient area near landmarks like Celine and SCB Park. It is a bit of a distance from the heavy tourist hubs, but it offers a more local feel. If you love shopping, Chatuchak Weekend Market is about 3.9 kilometers away. Major malls like Siam Paragon and MBK Center are further out, around 10 kilometers from the property. The rooms feature air conditioning, blackout curtains, and soundproofing. Most rooms include practical amenities like a refrigerator, desk, and hairdryer. With a high value for money rating of 8.4, this 2-star hotel is an excellent budget-friendly choice. It offers clean, functional spaces without the luxury price tag. Cleanliness is a major strength here, scoring 8.5 out of 10. You can expect well-maintained rooms and daily housekeeping services. While there isn't a massive restaurant on site, the hotel provides a shared kitchen and room service options. This is great for travelers who want more control over their meals. You get free Wi-Fi throughout the property and free access to the fitness center. There is also free on-site parking available if you are driving. This hotel is versatile, catering to solo travelers, couples, and families. The 70 rooms and shared lounge make it suitable for both business and leisure trips. Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and checkout is until 12 p.m. The hotel offers 24-hour security and 24-hour check-in services for flexibility. Pros include high cleanliness scores and great value. The main con is the distance from major attractions like Kaohsiung Road, which is about 10.6 kilometers away. Canaries at 38 Hotel is a solid, clean, and affordable choice for your Bangkok adventure. To get the best deal, use the link in the description or scan the QR code to book safely.